Here we have our next question, which is question number 49. It states that 5 years ago, age of Sumit was 3 times the age of his sister. If the present age of Sumit is twice of his sister's present age, then Sumit's present age is out of these 4 options. So let us firstly talk about Sumit. Here we have a boy, Sumit, and we are talking about his sister. And it is being stated that 5 years ago, here we are taking the case of 5 years ago, where Sumit was 3 times the age of his sister. If I am taking age of his sister to be x, Sumit would be thrice the age of his sister. So this is 3x and this one is x. Now this was the case 5 years ago. So when I talk about the present, 5 will be added to age of both of these. So I get here their present ages. I can write here in the present scenario, the age of Sumit will be 3x plus 5 and age of his sister will be x plus 5. It is being stated here that in present case, Sumit's age is twice the age of his sister. So we generate here an equation that Sumit's age is twice the age of his sister. So I get this linear equation in one variable on basis of the given condition. And you can easily solve this linear equation, which is 3x plus 5 equal to 2x plus 10. And on solving this, you will be able to get here the value of x equal to 5. So x is 5, I need to obtain the present age of Sumit. I can write next present age of Sumit. Here present age of Sumit will be definitely given as 3x plus 5. Substituting here x as 5, I get this one as 3 into 5 plus 5 equal to 20 years. So present age of Sumit is definitely 20 years. So coming to the 4 options provided in this question, the present age of Sumit is 20 years. That's why the correct answer is here option number 3. I hope it is clear. Let's come to the next question. Let's discuss this question. It states that if 2/3 of square of a natural number is subtracted from its square, it gives 75. Then 1/5 of the square of the number is subtracted from its cube. Then what will be the number obtained out of these 4 options? So let's consider the number which is considered in this case is x. So very first I am subtracting 2/3 of square of the natural number from its square. So x square minus 2 upon 3x square gives me 75 according to this question. So here I am getting an equation. When you will be solving this, you get here x square upon 3 equal to 75. Next, on solving this, you are going to obtain that x square is equal to 225. So here we are talking about a natural number. We get here the value of x equal to 15. So this number is obtained as 15. Now let's obtain the required number, which is obtained on subtracting here 1/5 of the square of this number from the cube. So this is the required number which you want here. You have to subtract 1/5 of the square of this number from the cube. So this gives me here x square into x minus 1 upon 5. I already know here the value of x, which is 15. On substituting this value, I get here 15 square into 15 minus 1 upon 5. So this is a basic calculation. On solving this calculation, you will obtain here the required number as 3330. So this is the required number being asked in this question. So out of these 4 options given here, I can clearly see that the answer is in option number 3. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to our next question. Here we have our next question, which states that which of the given quadrilaterals satisfies the following properties? First property is all sides are equal. Second property is diagonals bisect each other, and third property is diagonals are not equal. So when we talk about the quadrilaterals, if all sides are equal, that could be found in a rhombus or in a square. So this quadrilateral about which we are talking could be a rhombus or it could be a square. Next, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals of a rhombus as well as a square bisect each other. Next, diagonals are not equal. When we talk about the square, it's both diagonals are equal. So this quadrilateral cannot be a square, it will be definitely a rhombus. So here we get the correct answer as option number 4. This quadrilateral is a rhombus. So this is the correct answer for this question. Let's proceed to our next question.